At 11 a.m. Thursday, the stage on the Eel River at North Manchester was 2.2 feet and the river is steady. Moderate flooding is forecast. The river will rise above the 9.0-foot flood stage Friday morning and crested 11.7. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hancock County, southeastern Hendricks County, northern Johnson County, Marion County, northeastern Morgan County, west central Rush County, northern Shelby County, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:42 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Speedway and moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding increase. Locations impacted include Indianapolis, Southport, Speedway, Beach Grove, Lawrence, Greenfield, Claremont, Homecroft, Monument Circle, Windale, Springhill, Rocky Ripple, Crow's Nest, Mayan, State Fairgrounds, Fairland, North Crow's Nest, Warren Park, Broad Ripple, New Palestine, and Cumberland. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 96 and 120. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 65 and 109. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 71 and 108. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe